Lupo.
Hello everyone, I'm Ben Chia, the founder and the CEO of the Century Hanyut, and I'm very happy to meet and share with you on the video again. The last video has announced the cooperation between the Cyray and the Century Hanyut Group. Today, I would like to take the opportunity to share about why I started the Century Hanyut Group. In fact, no one ever got rich by working 9 to 5, no matter how hard I worked in the company during in UK. At the time, I was thinking, how long do I have to work to achieve wealth freedom, or do I have work part-time to earn more income? While I was living a boring life every day, suddenly one day, I looked through the window outside to the eBay courier. I flashed my eyes, keep looking for the goods one by one delivered. I made a decision that logistic business is what I should do. Logistic transportation business. Because I saw the trend in the market and realized that Malaysia is progressively developing. That is to say, returning to Malaysia is the best opportunity for entrepreneurship. The next day, I resolutely decided to resign, leaving the beautiful country of the United Kingdom and heading to the country that I love, Malaysia. In 2013, the world entered a period of rapid development of the internet and began to use the internet in the big data and the cloud computing. Malaysia was just beginning that year. After returning to Malaysia, just because I discovered that eBay started to influence in the United Kingdom, so that I immediately opened an e-commerce and a logistic transportation company. Since then, I embarked on the path of the entrepreneurship. Due to the immature network environment at the time, Malaysia online purchasing awareness was still very low. After several twists and turns, e-commerce and logistic and transportation company failed in less than a year because of the insufficient capital turnover. This failure made me realize that the internet environment in Malaysia was not yet mature. However, the logistic industry is the current trend. So I gathered a group of friends and let them invest on me. When I finished my overall plan, actually there's no one support me and say I was crazy. Only one friend invested me with 10,000 US dollars. I took this fund for a second venture. At this time, the goal is very clear. That is, only focus on the logistic and the transportation industry. With the acceleration of the e-commerce globalization, the development of science and technology, especially information and communication technology, the internet in Malaysia has entered a state of ambition. Century Hanyut Group's main business at the time included localized production, global procurement, and logistic trade. At the time, logistics and transportation has become one of the services pursued by cross-border e-commerce. As cross-border e-commerce cooperates with the rise of the global internet, Century Hanyut Group has won a position in the field of logistics and transportation. In the future, logistics system, whether the goods can be delivered to customers as soon as possible, is one of the key to the best quality service provided by e-commerce to customers. The secret of the success of e-commerce companies such as Walmart in the United States and Taobao in China is that they all attach great importance to the logistics service. Century Hanyut Overseas Transportation Field reached a milestone in serving more than 30 countries in December 2017. With many years of import and export experience, the group will enable us to ensure that all the goods can be delivered to Cyray members in the shortest possible time. The group hopes to create a win-win situation for customers and the group through diversified business and the rich resource channel. The group relies on the professional teams with a sense of a mission and team awareness, implement the principle of the excellent management, and provides the first-class high-quality products and services to all the customers. At present, our core business has expanded to the construction industry. digital media, overseas logistics, and the entertainment sectors. The overseas logistics business has always been our main source of profit. With the strengthening of the global consumption trend, the development of the modern logistics presents the new characteristic, the rise of the electronic logistics. The rapid development of the network on base of the e-commerce had prompted the rise of the electronic logistics, e-logistics. According to the statistic, the amount of e-commerce transactions between enterprises via the internet in 1998 has reached to the 43 billion US dollars. Forrester Research, a market research company, predict that it will be rapid growth to the 840 US billion in 2002. Companies have strengthened the contract and communication between the enterprise and the supplier, between the enterprise and the consumer, and between the enterprise and the government through the internet to coordinate and cooperate with each other. Consumer can obtain information about products and services directly on the internet to achieve online shopping. The online through the line approach allow companies to quickly, accurately, and comprehensively understand demand information and implement a production model, build to order, BTO, and logistics services based on a customer's order. In addition, e-logistics can track shipment online, plan delivery route online, logistic dispatch online, and check freight online. It can be said that electronic logistics will be the major trend of the logistic development in the 21st century. At the end, by the time I'm still running my business, I've been doubt whether I'm still insist to operate. Luckily, I'm very grateful because I'm still continue to persevere. And then I have what I belong. So that I hope if you have a dream, you must not give up easily. God, stick to your dreams. Thank you all and see you in the next video.